I'm Alyvia Semu. Well, I have played sports basically like my whole school experience, I guess, throughout middle school and high school. And that's been a really big part of like going to school here because it's just something to look forward to, and then you really get a bond with the other students as well as those that like come to games, and it's really fun to like show your support that way. And I was also in like magnet programs and aiming high programs, which offered a lot as I was like growing up, and I really enjoyed doing those. And then music classes that I've taken here, all just super fun. And I'm also like the 5th member of my family to go to school here, so I've grown up like seeing all my brothers and siblings like do sports and music and theater. For like college, a lot of the electives have like prepped me for that, and I'm hoping to go to like college through the sports programs that we like have here, so that's just a really big part. I would really appreciate if everyone thought deeply about this upcoming levy and really took into account how it's affecting the lives of students when you take your vote.